Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to our channel. So, today's video is all about pixie hairstyles and their different designs and ideas. Ladies and gentlemen, as you know that a pixie haircut is for the person who is very short going and easy to use. When choosing a pixie cut style, consider many factors such as face shape, hair texture, lifestyle, and personal style preferences. Pixie is a very easy haircut and it is for those person who want a mess-free life. You must consult your hairstylist before doing a pixie haircut because it usually don't suit every face shape and every face cut. So let us begin with our amazing haircuts and different type of pixies. First of all, this is a classic pixie haircut which is characterized by short hair. Ladies and gentlemen, classic pixie is slightly longer on the top and shorter sides and back. You can see this is a classic pixie which shows confidence and sophistication. Texture pixie is adding layers to the pixie design for a more modern and edgy look. This is a textured pixie, ladies and gentlemen. This style adds movement and versatility to the haircut. This is an asymmetrical pixie which cuts features uneven length and angles. You can see that asymmetrical pixie is usually having different hair length across the head sides. Ladies and gentlemen, you can also go with bangs to a pixie cut which often suits you and frame the face beautifully. Having pixie haircut makes you look much younger and beautiful. It gives you a modern and chic look, ladies and gentlemen. This is a pixie with asymmetrical type. Ladies and gentlemen, if you want slightly longer hair, then go with a longer pixie, which is a traditional pixie cut, which reach the earlobes as well. Ladies and gentlemen, layered pixie cuts involve adding layer throughout the ear to create volume. You can also highlight your hairs in different color, which gives your style more versatility and more beautifulness to your haircut. Experimenting with different hair colors like pink, red, golden, blonde, or any color you want. Look how amazing these women are looking in pixie haircut. You can also use accessories in your pixie haircut by using hair clips, scarves, and hats, which enhances the beauty of your pixie haircut, ladies and gentlemen. You can see these are the really amazing designs of pixie, and you must experiment with your hair once in a lifetime. So what is better than a pixie haircut? These are all for today. We will see you in another video. Thank you everyone for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and like this video.